Hey guys, it's Maddie here in the AFI DIY lab, and I've got a new recipe for you guys to try out and add to your line. It's super easy to do-it-yourself lotion. All these ingredients are easily obtainable and the formula comes together effortlessly to make a nourishing lotion that can be applied anywhere on the body. So hit that like button to share the love, and let's get started. Alrighty, as you can already see, I have our double boiler going, so I'm going to grab my mixing bowl really fast. I'm just going to hang this off the side and we're going to place this in so we can put all of our ingredients in here. Sweet almond oil, so I'm just going to pour this in as so. And next I'm going to grab our cocoa butter. Just going to dump this in as well. Kind of made a mess. You saw nothing. Alright, and then I'm going to grab our emulsifying wax and then our stearic acid. Alrighty, our emulsifying wax. Satisfying. And then our stearic acid. So these will make up the bulk of the nourishing ingredients for our formula. So I'm going to let this melt down and just give it a quick stir every now and then just to make sure everything is nice and well incorporated. Alrighty, so while this is melting down to a temperature of about 170 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm going to grab our water here. So we want our water to be within a 10-degree range as the other ingredients. So I'm going to go and pop this in the microwave and bring it up to about the same temperature, and I'll be right back. Alright, so when all of your oils, butters, and waxes have melted and homogenized, we can remove them from the double boiler. So I'm going to grab some oven mitts first, because remember, safety first, and we're going to remove this double boiler from the pot. Alright, so we're just going to carefully remove this. My hands are too small. Alrighty, so I'm going to remove this and then I'm going to set this off to the side. Now that I have this removed from the heat, I'm going to grab our water, which should also be about the same temperature. And we're simply just going to pour this into here, and then we're going to use our spatula here just to make sure everything is nice and well mixed together. Oh, that was satisfying. We're just going to grab our handy dandy spatula here and then stir and make sure everything is nice and mixed together. Oh, this is so cool. I love science. All right, I think this is nice and well mixed together, if I do say so myself. But if you're impatient like me, sorry, we have to wait. So what we have to do is let it cool down to about 110 degrees. You can pop it in the fridge or freezer to help speed up the time, which is probably what I'm going to do if we're being honest here. But when the temp has lowered to the appropriate level, then we're going to add in our glycerin and preservative. Now remember, this product contains water, so you must add a preservative if you intend to market it for sale. So let's grab our preservative and glycerin, like I said, and we're just going to pour it in. Alrighty, use my spatula to help get in the last bits. And then we are going to pour in our glycerin. Alrighty, now we're just going to give this a quick stir and then on to the fun part. Now it's time for my favorite part, which is adding in fragrance. Let us know in the comments down below which fragrance you'd like to put in this lotion. But as for me, I'm going to stick with an all-time favorite, Cotton Candy by AFI. So this is already pre-measured out, so I'm just going to dump it in like so, and then give it another really good stir. And just like that, we're already done. So now all it's left to do is just take this and put it into our packaging container. So I'm going to grab a funnel here that I can screw onto the top of our packaging container. Makes sense, right? All right, so I'm just going to unscrew this, put the funnel on just to help prevent any mess. Made a mess. Oops. Alrighty, so this formula is really easy to customize with extra ingredients, exfoliants, and colorants. So don't be afraid to experiment. Let me put this top on. Got a little bit on my hands. Don't mind if I do. Alrighty, so a 32-ounce bottle of this lotion costs about $4 to make and can be sold wholesale for $6 to $10 and retail for $12 to $18. So make sure to check out all of our other bath and beauty DIY projects, which can be found in the playlist on our channel. We're so grateful that you guys tuned into today's video, and if you're not already a member of the Notification Squad, join us by subscribing and hitting that bell icon. Your support means the world to us. And until next time, I'm Maddie, and I can't wait to see you guys again really, really soon. Bye!